Hi, I'm James Hamilton from Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal, and this is one of the most inspiring books I've read in some time. We try to do a book review for each issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. This time we have a self-published book by one of the more well-known YouTube makers out there, Bob Clagett. It's called Making Time, and I can't remember when I last enjoyed such a short read so much. It tells the story of a guy who left his corporate job to do something he was passionate about. Imagine the risks, leaving a stable income with a family to make YouTube videos. I do this full time, but I've always been self-employed and I don't have kids. In Making Time, Bob tells us his sometimes nerve-wracking but always inspiring story from the beginning. How he discovered his knack for teaching, how he developed his own brand and built his channel from 1 subscriber to 1.5 million, and the lessons he learned along the way. I particularly enjoyed his thoughts on dealing with negativity on the internet, how he opened himself up to his viewers and discovered he could actually touch people's lives through something as simple as do-it-yourself videos. It's really fascinating behind-the-scenes look that anybody would enjoy. But if you are or aspire to be a YouTube creator yourself, you'll also enjoy the sections about productivity, about responsibility to your audience, and even a little bit about how sponsorships work. It's not a long book, just 80 pages, but I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I already have it in my stack of books to read again. You can get yours on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the notes below this video for you to check out. If you use that link, you help us out a little bit, but mostly you help out Bob and by extension, the whole maker community. In the meantime, be sure to support our sponsor, IsoTunes, the makers of the Bluetooth hearing protection that we're always talking about. Without them, we couldn't do these monthly review videos. So spend just 1 minute on their website as a way of supporting what we do at Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. And speaking of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal, be sure to check out the latest issue, always full of great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com. See you next time.